In today's video, I'll be showing you how to enable App Cloner. Now, what App Cloner allows you to do is have two different accounts assigned to the same application. Typically, you need to log out of it. Now, the way OnePlus does it is by creating a same application again that would allow you to log into it. Now, I'll be using Amazon Music for this, which is at the very top, easy to see. So to start off, we're going to open up Settings and then navigate all the way down where you can see Apps. Next, select App Cloner, Other Apps, and to choose the app that you want to clone. For me, that will be, like I mentioned, Amazon Music. You want to toggle it on. Though be mindful, once you're done using it or don't want it anymore, if you try to disable it, it tells you that that application will be deleted. It only means the cloned one. Now, if I close this, you can see it right here. That's the clone app, and also here. So with both of your applications now cloned, you can sign into each one individually and have two different applications with two different accounts. Now, if you found this video helpful, it would mean a hella lot to me if you could hit that subscribe button, as it would help me grow my super small channel right now. So yeah, now thanks for watching and have a great rest of the day.